Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. Begin by accessing Gallery app and holding one of your photos that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now to select multiple right away, click on this dot at the top left corner of this section. Now to exclude some of your pictures, click on the ones that you wish to keep. And to delete the rest, click on delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!